Can you buy a good wireless machine for permanent makeup and mini tattoo for around $100? Today we're testing one of the most popular machines, the MAST P20 by Dragonhawk company. Does it really live up to its reputation? Hi guys! If you have been with me for a while on this channel, hey fam, you already know my name is Olga. I'm permanent makeup artist and trainer, a pro makeup and a roller restoration artist and cosmetologist. So believe me when I say I know the pain beauty pros go through, and if you're new here, hit the subscribe button right now because I have got a lot of useful and professional content for you. All information in the video subjective opinion of the author, so please read the disclaimer in the description of the video. The Dragonhawk company was founded in 2001. It creates equipment suitable for beginner and professional tattoo artists, according to the company on its official website. Over the past 10 years, we have designed and produced a series of reliable tattoo machines and safe tattoo needles. We also offer practical tattoo accessories, meeting the evolving needs of tattoo artists. Many tattoo bloggers and artists consider the Dragonhawk machine a must-have tattoo product. Here we have the box in a beautiful Tiffany style color. I think it looks very clean and stylish. On the front you'll find the MAST logo. There is also an anti-fake verification code. Just scratch of the protective layer, scan the QR code and enter the verification code to confirm that your machine is authentic. Now let's open. Inside, the instruction in several languages. The kit also includes a spare wireless battery, doubling your total runtime and allowing you to work much longer without interruptions. The box with two Type-C ports for charging both wireless battery simultaneously, and the MAST P20. The machine comes in a silver finish. Its shape reminds me of an hourglass. The MAST logo is on the body. Its length is 145 millimeters. And my first impression is that it feels quite lightweight. Let's talk about this pen, more details. In the technical characteristics, the machine weight is 122 grams. We will check it on the scales. On our scales is 124 grams. For the wireless pen, the weight is quite low, making it comfortable to work with. The machine has a comfortable slim grip and convenient form factor. There is a slight top-heavy balance, but only a little, and doesn't take away from overall comfort. The MAST P20 has 5 colors: silver, black, blue, purple and pink. Grip diameter is from 17 to 24 millimeters. The grip is removable, so it must be sterilized. The needle stroke is 2.5 millimeters, which provides moderate heating power. This is short needle stroke. This is a factory setting that we cannot change. Needle depth is adjusted by twisting the grip, with click stops for precise and consistent adjustment. Our kit comes with an extra wireless battery, giving you a total working time of around 4 to 6 hours, depending on your operating voltage. Each battery takes of about 2 hours to fully charge. The kit with an extra wireless battery costs about $120. Simple operation. There are only 2 buttons on the machine, making it simple to use. To turn it on, Press and hold the power button for 2-3 seconds. The display shows the current voltage and the battery level. Use the second button to adjust the voltage. Working voltage is from 4 to 10 volts. The voltage range is wide enough to help you find your perfect working setting. Whether you are doing pros, lips, eyeliners, car, camouflage or areola restoration, this machine works well for all of these techniques. If you double press the power button while the machine is running, the display will show the total working time. Update motor by MCore. All Master 2 pen motor upgrade with MCore ensure the safety and durability. Now it's time for the practical part. For this test, I'll be using the MAST Ocean Hard cartridge. I'll be doing a full review about these cartridges soon. Don't miss it. And now let's turn our machine. I'll set my working voltage 5. The vibration and noise level feel comfortable. I think let's start with the powder brow. The pixel patterns looks clean, smooth and very consistent. I set the needle depth 2 mm, which allowed the pigment to flow smoothly from the tip. When I increased the needle depth 3 or 3.5 mm, the pigment flow became much weaker and not every pixel was filled with ink. So with this stroke length, I recommend keeping the needle depth at 2 mm or less for the best results. Combined with the MAST Ocean Hard cartridges, the machine glides very smoothly across the skin while maintaining excellent control. The stroke has a nice spring feel, and overall I really enjoy how this machine performs. For the hair stroke technique, I increased the voltage to 6.5 volts. Even at this setting, the vibration remains very comfortable. The mask delivers smooth, consistent performance for lining and shading. Well, let's sum up our video review, guys. The MAST P20 is the wireless pen by the Dragonhawk company with a slim grip and convenient form factor. The machine has a 2.5mm stroke, making it a good all-around choice. It works well on different skin types, treatment areas, permanent makeup and mini tattoo techniques, and paramedical micropigmentation. With the extra battery included, the machine provides up to 6 hours of continuous operation. The MAST P20 perfect for both beginners and experienced artists looking for mobility and reliability. I wish you beautiful works. See you later.